I remember watching Ranveer और मैं उनको observe कर रही थी and he was super professional, not cold but professional, very calm से calm. He came on set, he knew his lines. जब आप सही इंसान को मिलते हो, they bring out the best qualities in you, you know, and that's why it's so important to pick the right partner, you know, because it's make or break, it's a life decision. Music is a very honest medium, you know, because you're talking about yourself. You are the script writer, you are the producer, you are the creator, you are like a one-stop shop, one-man army.
हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज़ उदय गुनानी एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड सोसाइटी। आज जो हमारे साथ बैठे हैं ना, वो हमारा दिल एक्टिंग से तो जीत ही चुके हैं, बट वो फिर से एक नया गाना लाके हमारा दिल फिर से जीतना है। मैं बस आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, एक ही दिल आप कितनी बार जीतोगे? हर डेब्यू सिंगल राता कालिया इज लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट्स अमेजिंग। शहजान पद्मसी, मैं आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ बॉलीवुड सोसाइटी के ऊपर। तो पहले तो कैसे हो आप, कैसे चल रहा है?
बहुत अच्छी हूँ, वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी एक्साइटेड। इट्स द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग मेरे लिए, तो एक ये बड़ा आई नो बिग स्टेप एंड न्यू चैप्टर, बट वेरी एक्साइटेड राइट नाउ।
सो हम राता कालिया के बारे में तो बात करेंगे, बट मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ एक्टिंग टू सिंगिंग, हाउ डिड दिस मिरेकल हैपन? क्या बचपन से सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर था म्यूजिक के लिए?
Absolutely, because mom was one of India's first pop stars. So obviously music was, I think, somewhere in my blood. And मैं इनके साथ बहुत ट्रेनिंग कर चुकी हूँ as a kid and all of that. But I think 10 साल पहले मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि I just got this calling that I have to explore music. It was like a voice within me. You know, I really can't explain it. तो उस वक्त मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ स्टूडेंट ऑल ओवर अगेन एंड आई वांट टू प्रोफेशनली डू दिस। सो हर दिन 2 घंटे के लिए हम रियाज करते हैं तानपुरा लगा के, यू नो, वी गो गेट इनटू दिस मेडिटेटिव काइंड ऑफ जोन, एंड आई थिंक फॉर मी देयर इज नथिंग बेटर, नो बेटर फीलिंग इन लाइफ टू प्रैक्टिस एंड I love the craft of singing. I really love it. I think it's very spiritual in its own way.
I cannot disagree. I think that's amazing. आप थिएटर आर्टिस्ट भी रह चुके हो
जी।
हम जब भी थिएटर में, एज वी नो दैट थिएटर आर्टिस्ट का प्रॉपर से वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन की भी एक्सरसाइज होती है, एंड वी जस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग दैट। तो हाउ वाज दैट जर्नी ऑफ योर्स?
You mean with singing?
Yeah, even singing also. The theater artist से singer कैसे क्या?
Well, थिएटर आर्टिस्ट, बीइंग अ थिएटर आर्टिस्ट, ऑफ कोर्स मैं एक्टिंग कर रही थी उस वक्त डैड के साथ। तो डैड के साथ काम करना वाज ऑफ कोर्स वन मोर बॉल गेम, बिकॉज व्हेन योर फादर इज डायरेक्टिंग यू, ही इज लाइक द मोस्ट स्ट्रिक्ट पर्सन एवर, एंड so that was a little tricky, you know, trying to impress my father because he's always a very tough critic with me. But वहाँ पे we would do more scene work. It was more on characters. It was more on exploring emotions of this other person's character, you know. तो एक आपको बहुत imagination पे rely करना है। यहाँ पे मैं अपनी story बता रही हूँ, you know. That's why I think music is a very honest medium, you know, because you're talking about yourself. You are the script writer, you are the producer, you are the creator, you are like a one-stop shop, one-man army. तो ये एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग फेज है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट worn so many hats at one time, you know, because I'm also creating the music video with, of course, the concept. Of course, we got a lovely team and all of that, क्योंकि लोगों को execute करना ज़रूरी है, but ultimately it's all my ideas and concept that are coming to life. So that is very exciting. और yeah, acting, as I said, scene work, and with singing it's more the riyaz. So that's the difference between both the processes.
As you just mentioned कि आपकी अपनी स्टोरी थी, एंड सो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, एज एन एक्टर आप किसी और की कहानी पोर्ट्रे करते हो, एंड नाउ यू आर पोर्ट्रेइंग योर स्टोरी, सो व्हाट्स मोर चैलेंजिंग?
I think, you know, I don't know about challenging, but this for me feels just like home. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं है, you know, मुझे इतना एफर्ट नहीं डालना है, because this is my story. I know it more than anyone. When I sing the song, every time I sing the song, I flash back to my life, because that song, the words are about my life. So I think singing for me feels like coming home. Yeah, it doesn't feel like work at all, you know. Put me in a studio for 10 hours or 12 hours or 13 hours or 20 hours and I won't feel tired or anything. I don't need food, nothing. I just love being around music.
वो जिस पे दिल लग जाता है तो उस पे टाइम को पता नहीं लगता.
Yeah, totally.
ये राता कालियाँ कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ? हाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट केम टू योर माइंड, द नेम ऑल्सो. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू, आई नो इट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एंड आवर ऑडियंस वांट्स टू हियर इट, सो प्लीज.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो you know, the night time, रात जो होती है, is a very important time for me where firstly the phone is off, okay, because today's generation, I mean, we're also addicted to our phone, so it's quiet. और मैं अपने फीलिंग्स के साथ बैठ सकती हूँ, अपने थॉट्स के साथ बैठ सकती हूँ. एंड मैं बहुत, आई एम अ वेरी इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव पर्सन, यू नो, सो आई लव टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट ऑन लाइक रिफ्लेक्टिंग ऑन थिंग्स दैट आई डिड रॉन्ग और some rough patches that I went through or some kind of challenging time, and I really love to connect the dots. अच्छा ये lesson फिर से repeat हुआ, अरे बाप रे, you know, so I'm very much.
I can understand. वो सारे creative लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं, रात में ही जागते हैं.
Exactly. So that रात का time is a very important and a precious magical time. And so that's where I feel like the magic happens and all of that. So and that is the time when, you know, I used to sit and really reflect कि wow, look how far I've come, you know. And especially when I think of like how I used to look at love, पहले मेरा perspective बहुत ही अलग था. I used to look at love as something to lean on, something I used to look at the other person to complete myself, you know, because somewhere I used to feel like I am lacking, so I need someone else to make me feel strong. But this song is saying कि no, you are whole in yourself, and that is one. And two is also, जब आप सही इंसान को मिलते हो, they bring out the best qualities in you, you know, and that's why it's so important to pick the right partner, you know, because they can, it's make or break, it's a life decision. And I feel like, you know, after I got married, this is where the full circle came, because I met my husband and he's just like the most amazing, really. I mean, he's my best friend, but more than anything, he's like the epitome of a green flag boy. And so I had to like write this song about him, because he's just so awesome in so many ways. You know, like example, he wants my dream more than me. Like he's so encouraging of my work. You know, this whole music thing I've been thinking of, सालों से मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं करूँगी. और मैं मतलब बहुत ही इतना डीप इंसान हूँ that sometimes I get stuck in my loop. कि इतना मैं सोचूंगी to make one decision. Of course, बड़ा decision तो है, and you should take time for big decisions. But I will तो procrastinate and overthink, because it's like perfectionism भी है, ये भी है, सही decision लेना है. So he's also someone who's like, no, let's go, let's do this. You know, he has that kind of motivation, and my family as well, which is his family, my extended family. So these have been angels that have come into my life, who have helped me. Kind of this thought of Rata Kalia has come about, जहाँ पे मैं music video also starts with me sitting on the bed. I'm writing in my diary with that old school pen.
I love the switch जो जैसा बैठे थे and switch you're in the car. Like it's amazing. It's amazing. I just wanted to know, हर किसी के लिए प्यार की कोई डेफिनेशन होती है. लाइक मेरे लिए प्यार दोस्ती है. I just wanted to know कि आपके लिए प्यार क्या है?
Oh wow, I don't have a word for it. आपके लिए अच्छा प्यार आपके लिए दोस्ती है. Yes, I think so.
I love Shahrukh saying that अगर आप सबसे अच्छे दोस्त नहीं बन सकते तो आप कोई प्यार नहीं कर सकते.
No, that's true. And this is what I'm actually saying, because पहले ना एक प्यार का पर्सपेक्टिव होता था, और हम सबके दिमाग में होते थे कि you know, एक गुलाबी पर्सपेक्टिव था कि how you see in the movies, you know, it's all very like dates and first dates, it's all rosy, and yeah, that's fine when you're in college, but like that's not what love is about. You know, love is support, love is holding each other through the tough times. Life is tough, life is challenging, so you have to find a partner who's gonna be like, I got you, you know. So I think support, love is support through and through, you know, in the good and the bad. and dosti. You have to be best friends with your
Of
partner for
course,
sure. You're going to spend so much time with that person. So yeah.
ऐसे ही since we are talking ऐसे ही I just wanted to
Yeah,
ask,
yeah, go
have
for
you
it.
ever had a heartbreak and ऐसा
Yeah,
कुछ है?
yeah, totally.
Totally.
Lots of heartbreaks, and that's the raw material for writing music. I think it's great. Heartbreak, challenges. I lost my father also.
Yeah.
So many things that we go through, right? And I feel like we also live in a very superficial world. जहाँ पे everybody is like, okay, we're all smiling and hey, all good, how are you? अरे great, yeah. You never know what someone's going through on the inside, you
yeah.
know? And we are all going through problems and whatever it is, you know, that's life. Life is bittersweet.
Yeah.
I say this in the song as well. Rata Kalia, even the sonics of it, the sound of it, you listen to it, it's actually not super happy, it's not super sad also. It sits
comes
in the
between,
middle.
yeah.
And that's what I feel is so cool, because life is that. Life is in the grey zone. It's not, you're happy at times, you're sad at times. Sometimes you have a great day, the next day you can be crying, you know, because of something going wrong. So, wow, I got totally sidetracked. What was the question?
नहीं, my question was about heartbreak.
Heartbreak. Lots of heartbreaks, challenges, just like we all go through, you know. And thanks to music, for me, that is my outlet. जहाँ पे मैं अपने thoughts को pen कर सकती हूँ. And that's why night time. Because that's where I sit and I can zone out from like all the distractions of the phone and the world and so wanting my attention and whatever. And I just go into my zone, in my deep reflective zone. And yeah, and a lot of songs will be coming from that zone for sure.
We are waiting for that.
Yeah.
Of course, Rata Kalia will be super hit because I love the song and I think audience will also love the
You're
song.
so
I'm just
sweet.
hoping for that. I just wanted to know from your side कि आपके according आपको कौन सा artist singing में बहुत अच्छा लगता है? Your favorite artist.
Okay, I have to say, I'll give you only one name right now,
Yeah,
who I think is smashing it.
Yeah.
Aditya Rikhadi.
Oh.
He's too good. I think he's great. I love his music.
Yeah.
I think he's doing a fantastic job with the Coke Studio stuff that he did.
Yeah.
And I love how what I like about him is that he has very tastefully mixed Indian commercial together.
Yeah.
So you can't say he's a super indie artist, you can't say he's
It's
super
super
commercial
commercial
also,
artist.
like it's not full on Bollywood. It's a beautiful blend of both the worlds, best of both worlds. And I think he's done a great job, and then he brings his like murkhis and all the little classical touches
yeah,
in the
yeah.
music. So वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And he brings the electronic sound. And I'm like into electronic music totally.
Yeah.
So I think he's the best of all worlds. Yeah. We'll stay with him only. we don't right now. Currently he's on the top of my playlist. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know, you have worked with Ranbir Kapoor
Yeah.
also. And थोड़ा पहले चलते हैं.
जी.
Do you remember your first shot with him?
I remember my first shot, he was very professional. So
Yeah.
I was so young because I was like 21, 22, you know, I was a kid. And I just got this film like by chance. ऐसा कुछ plan नहीं था to be like a film actor. Actually, it was all kind of just happened
Universe
to be.
plays its role.
Yeah, universe played its role. It one thing led to another. Theatre to modeling to film. Suddenly I go for Yash Raj audition. Suddenly they call me. They're like, "You got the part." I'm like, "What?" The shoot is tomorrow. I'm like, "Oh, okay." So ये सब हुआ था. And I think because I was so young and impressionable, I remember going on set and I just wanted to be best friends with everyone because maybe I was so like, you know.
उस एज में ऐसा होता है क्या?
Yeah. You're so insecure,
ना?
You just want everyone to like you.
Yeah, exactly.
So I went on set and I'm like, you know, trying to talk to the ADs and I'm like, so want to meet for coffee and all of that.
Exactly.
So stupid. And that time, I remember watching Ranbir और मैं उनको observe कर रही थी and he was super professional. Not cold, but professional. Very calm से calm. He came on set, he knew his lines. You know, मेरा तो थोड़ा 19-20 था because half my mind was trying to make friends with people and all of this. And I wanted people to tell me I'm good also and all of that. वो validation चाहिए थी. And he was just like, no. He came on, did his work, smashed it in his work. And once once they called it a day, once they called it a rap, then he became normal. Then he would sit and chat with people. So I liked that. You know, I think when you're on a film set,
You should be
एक प्रोफेशनल एटमोसफियर क्रिएट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज टाइम इज मनी ऑन अ फिल्म सेट राइट लाइक एवरी मिनट इज कॉस्टिंग अ प्रोड्यूसर सो यू कैन बी लाइक फैफिंग अराउंड यू गॉट टू टेक दैट जॉब वेरी सीरियसली स्पेशली व्हेन इट्स अदर पीपल्स मनी सो दैट आई रियली लाइक
you मतलब we have not seen you so much doing acting and all.
Yeah.
So is it by choice or you're very selective or what was that?
So I did 3 great films.
Yeah.
Okay, Rocket Singh led to Dil To Bacha, Heji, and then Houseful 2. And then I did 3 films down south.
Yeah.
तो वो भी था. And उसके बाद I got a very just like a feeling of like I got a voice came to me saying I just have to explore music.
Yeah.
You know, and music was there in my childhood anyways. It's always been my form of therapy.
Yeah.
So I just said I want to cancel out all the noise and I'm going to follow this to my heart and see how I feel. मैं experiment तो करूँ. And I started experimenting. I did started doing riyaz with mom and training and all that. I was in-house guru with mom. Just fell in love with the process. And then one thing led to another. Then I got so many ideas for songs. Achanak se just ideas like I have to write about this. Oh my God, this is what
Yeah.
And of course those songs somewhere I'll release a few, but some of course I discarded. But it was like a very creatively stimulating time. Then I went to Europe. I worked with so many people over there. They took me under their wing. They trained me. They taught me how to find my own unique sound.
Yeah.
Many things were put in my mind. Ki, what are you trying to say as an artist? Work on that.
Yeah.
Don't chase a trend. Don't do this because it's cool or whatever. You find what you want to tell other people. Do what music does for me. I feel understood.
Yeah.
I feel people are there who understand my heart, you know, or maybe it's just a chord progression, because for me sonics are also very important. When I hear that chord progression or that tune or that melody, I'm like, I can just listen to that on loop, you know, because it makes me feel something. I don't even know what it is. So I want to be that, at least for my audience.
Okay.
So yeah.
That was it. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you.
had so much fun.
Thanks. You were so fun.
Thank you.
I loved it.
Thank you.
And I really love the way you're loving the song. It makes me feel really
No,
good.
I am. I'm not kidding. I swear.
You're like the Gen Z audience that we're targeting.
Yeah.